So guys, in today's Python video, I am telling you about what are access list items. I told you in our next video, Python list. So this video is about the Python access list item. So our list series has been started. In this series, there are many videos like change list items, add list items, remove list items, loop list comparison, whole thing I told you. Oh, so get ready for that. Up the upcoming videos, whole thing I will be told you. So please hit a like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I do not take a long time. So let's move to computer screen and let's know about what are access list items in the Python. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Python video, I am telling about the access list items. In the Python, I am telling about the access list items. So let's start and let's know about the access items. List items are indexed and you can access them by referring to the index number. For example, if you print the second item of the list, so you wrote like that. Here you can see it. Let me show you. You can go here, create a new window, erase it, new file, new file, index.py, then create the file on documents, then create file, then yes, then paste it, and then when you save it and when you run it, so it give you, where do you save it and run it? Why it is not giving me output? Let me open my Visual Studio Code again. And now when I run it, save it and run it. So it give me like banana. Here you can see why it give me banana only, because here in this there are like 1, and why it not give me the apple? Apple is on the number 1, but note that the the apple has index 0 and the banana is index 1 and the cherry has index 2. If you write here 0, so it give you like banana. Here you can see it. Sorry, apple. Sorry. Okay. Now let's come here. Note that the first item has index 0. Negative indexing. Negative indexing means start from the end. -1 refers to the last item, -2 refers to the second last item, or etc. For example, if you print the last item, of the list, so you wrote like that. Then it give you the last item of the list. Here it give you cherry. Why it give you cherry? Because I write like -1. Like -1 is the last item. Okay, that's why I give the cherry. Range of indexes. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When you specifying the range, the return value will be a new list with the specified items. For example, if you return the third, fourth, and fifth item, so you wrote like that. Then save it and run it. So it give you like cherry, orange, kiwi. Why it giving only cherry, orange, kiwi? Why it is not giving you apple, banana, cherry, and melon and mango? Why? Because here I write like number 2, and then I write like ratio till 5. So it give me like number 2 till 5. Here you can see it, 3, 5. Like here you can see it like that. If I write here 6, so it give me melon also. Here you can see it. Now note that the search will start at index 2, included at the end at index 5, not included. Remember that the first item has index 0. Remember that, I am saying you again and again. By leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. For example, this example returns the item from the beginning to but not including the kiwi. Like that, if you copy it and if you paste it. So it give you apple, banana, cherry, orange. Why apple, banana, cherry, orange giving you? Why it's not giving me kiwi, melon, mango? Because I wrote like here, give me till 4. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But not giving kiwi because I am telling you like here the but. I am telling you about that like the at the index at and at index 4 not included. Okay, this key example returns the items from the beginning too, but not including the key. Here you can see it, like I have told you. By leaving out the end value, the range will go on to the end of the list. For example, this example returns the items from the cherry to the end. If you copy it and if you paste it, save it, and then so it give me like cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango. Why it give me cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango? Why it give me that? And why it is not giving me this 2? Why? Because here I like 2 then ratio. That's why it's not giving me apple, banana. Range of negative indexes. Specify that the negative indexes if you want to start the search from the end of the list. For example, this example returns the items from orange -4 to but not including mango -1. If you copy it and if you paste it, run it, should give me orange, kiwi, melon. Why it is only giving me orange, kiwi, melon? Because first of all here I write like -4, then here I write like in the end -1. So that's why only giving me orange, kiwi, melon. It is that's why not giving me mango, apple, banana and cherry. Okay, that's very easy. Check if item exists. To determine if a specified item is present in a list, use the in keyword. To determine if a specified item is present in a list, use the in keyword. For example, if you check if apple is present in the list, if you check the apple is present in the list, so you wrote like that, save it, and then it should give me yes, apple is in the fruits list. Why it give me like that? Because first of all here I write like this list, in this list I write like apple, banana, cherry. In the second one I use the if statement. In the if statement I write like double commas. In the double commas I write like apple. And then I write like in this list, and then here I write like print yes, apple is in the fruit list. If I erase this apple, if I erase this apple, here I write like blue. Save it and run it. So it give me nothing output. Why? Because the apple is not in the list. Why don't I understand? If I write like apple, then save it and it should give me apple is in the fruit list. Now here you can see now it is giving me, because here I wrote it the apple in the list. If I remove that apple, so it not give me any output. Here you can see it. Why? Because the apple is not in the list. That's why. If I write like apple again, so it give me the yes, apple is in the fruit. If I write like here, erase this, and if I write here banana, and here I write like yes, banana is in the fruit list. So it give me yes, banana is in the fruit list. If I write like bana, and here I also write like bana. So it give me yes, banana. Bana is in the fruit list, like that. Here you can see you can do it. So using the if statement. If statement is very powerful. If you don't know if statement, so I have uploaded that video about the if statement. I suggest, no, I have not uploaded. Okay, so when I upload that video, see that video also. Okay, so here you can see it. In today's video I told you about the Python access list items. So our list series has been come. Here you can see, so from now we are starting our list series, and there are many videos of the list, so get ready for that. And please hit a like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, and I appreciate your support through. And if you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you haven't checked my whole playlist yet, so move on to the code with code with Rayyan.com, my YouTube channel, so you can easily access it and bookmark it also. So now I'm using next lesson, next very amazing like that type of videos. So now please access my Python playlist and bookmark it also. So now for today, goodbye.